at them.
What was my fault? Why did you do this? Congratulations to you for your promotion.
Thank you, sir.
Look at her! Pathetic! Crying over her mistake! I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to.